Number 1. 1982 Harley-Davidson FXWG Wide Glide, $5,000, Toledo, Ohio. The 1982 Harley-Davidson FXWG Wide Glide is one of the most recognizable factory customs of the shovelhead era. Known for its raked front end, wide forks, and unmistakable V-twin sound, the Wide Glide became a symbol of classic American motorcycle culture and remains highly desirable among Harley enthusiasts today. This restored example shows just 9,200 miles and is described as very clean throughout. The seller reports that it runs great and features the legendary 80 cubic inch engine along with a new battery. With a clean title and strong presentation, this FXWG looks ready to be enjoyed on the open road. Number 2. 1983 BMW R80 ST, $6,000, Toledo, Ohio. The 1983 BMW R80 ST is a unique member of BMW's air-cooled boxer lineup, blending touring comfort with lighter dual-purpose styling. Produced for only a short time, the R80 ST has become a favorite among BMW enthusiasts who appreciate its versatility, reliability, and classic German engineering. Number 3. 1976 Honda CB200T, $3,500, Xenia, Ohio. The 1976 Honda CB200T is a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that helped introduce many riders to the Honda brand during the 1970s. Known for its simplicity, fuel efficiency, and easy handling, the CB200T remains a charming classic for collectors and casual riders alike. This example shows only 4,373 miles and appears to retain much of its original character. The seller notes that the paint, chrome, seat, owner's manual, and key are all original, while the bike reportedly runs great. Its low mileage and preserved condition make it a very appealing vintage Honda. Number 4. 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120, $11,900, Goshen, Indiana. The 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120 is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built. Famous for its performance, timeless styling, and racing heritage, the Bonneville became a benchmark for sporting motorcycles during the 1960s and remains highly collectible today. This example shows 16,000 miles and has received numerous recent updates, including electronic ignition, new tires, battery, carburetors, and other maintenance items. The fuel tank has been professionally cleaned and sealed, and the seller notes that the work was completed by an authorized Triumph dealer. With its original condition and documented care, this Bonneville stands out as a beautiful classic. Number 5. 1986 Suzuki GS550E, $3,900, Glen Ellen, Illinois. The 1986 Suzuki GS550E represents the final years of Suzuki's respected GS series, a lineup known for dependable performance and smooth inline-4 power. Combining sporty styling with comfortable ergonomics, the GS550E remains a favorite among riders seeking an affordable vintage Japanese motorcycle. This example shows 19,378 miles and is described as being in excellent condition overall. The seller reports that it starts easily, runs beautifully once warmed up, and delivers strong performance through its 6-speed transmission. Aside from a turn signal relay issue and minor cosmetic imperfections, this GS550E appears ready for regular riding and enjoyment. Number 6. 1969 BSA Rocket 3, $7,500, Sellersburg, Indiana. The 1969 BSA Rocket 3 is one of the most significant British motorcycles of its era, famous for its powerful three-cylinder engine and distinctive styling. Developed during the height of the performance motorcycle race of the late 1960s, the Rocket 3 remains a highly respected machine among collectors and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This restored example is described as being in like-new condition and shows approximately 2,500 miles. The seller reports that it runs and rides great while retaining its street-legal status and clean title. For anyone seeking a rare and historically important British classic, this Rocket 3 offers both performance and collector appeal. Number 7. 1978 Kawasaki KZ650B1, $3,300, Crown Point, Indiana. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ650B1 earned a reputation as one of the best middleweight motorcycles of the late 1970s. Combining smooth four-cylinder power with agile handling, the KZ650 became a popular choice for riders who wanted performance without the size of larger superbikes. This example shows 20,100 miles and features rebuilt carburetors along with an extended swing arm and upgraded rear shocks. The seller notes that it runs well and includes the original rear wheel and swing arm. With a clean title and largely original condition, this KZ650 could be a great addition to any vintage Japanese motorcycle collection. Number 8. 1965 Vespa VBB2T, $7,500, Sango, Tennessee. The 1965 Vespa VBB2T represents the classic Italian scooter design that made Vespa a worldwide icon. Known for its timeless styling, simple operation, and practical transportation value, the VBB series remains highly desirable among vintage scooter enthusiasts and collectors today. This scooter has been fully restored and upgraded with a modern LML Stella PX150 engine, electronic ignition, and a 12-volt electrical system for improved reliability. The seller states that nearly every component has been restored or replaced, and all major systems are functioning properly. With only a few miles since restoration, this Vespa appears ready to enjoy immediately. Number 9. 1981 Yamaha XS650, $2,500, Henrico, Virginia. The 1981 Yamaha XS650 remains one of the most beloved Japanese twins ever produced. Inspired by classic British motorcycles but backed by Japanese reliability, the XS650 developed a strong following among riders, restorers, and custom builders throughout the world. This example features a recently rebuilt engine with fewer than 1,000 miles since completion. Additional highlights include Mikuni carburetors, upgraded suspension, a custom leather seat, new tires, and both kick and electric start capability. The seller reports that it is ready to ride, making it an attractive classic motorcycle at an affordable price. Number 10. 1987 BMW R80 RS Custom, $7,000, Simpsonville, South Carolina. The 1987 BMW R80 RS is one of the most respected sport touring motorcycles of the air-cooled boxer era. Known for its comfortable riding position, aerodynamic fairing, and smooth twin-cylinder engine, the R80 RS remains a favorite among riders who enjoy long-distance touring and classic BMW engineering. This custom example shows 68,000 miles and has received several thoughtful upgrades, including a Wilbur's rear shock, braided cables, and recent maintenance throughout. The seller describes it as a reliable daily rider with service records available. For enthusiasts seeking a unique and well-sorted airhead BMW, this R80 RS offers plenty of character and road-going capability. Number 11. 1975 Honda CB754, $4,750, Hillsboro, North Carolina. The 1975 Honda CB754 remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced, helping redefine the performance motorcycle market during the 1970s. Its smooth inline-4 engine, dependable reliability, and timeless styling continue to make it a favorite among both riders and collectors today. This example shows just 16,000 miles and comes from its second owner. The seller reports that it is complete, ready to ride, and includes the original owner's manual along with extra parts. With its clean title and strong overall presentation, this CB750 appears to be a well-preserved example of a true motorcycle icon. Number 12. 1983 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $8,900, Gaithersburg, Maryland. The 1983 Harley-Davidson Electroglide represents the classic era of American touring motorcycles. Powered by the legendary 1340cc V-twin engine, these machines were built for comfortable long-distance travel and remain highly respected among Harley-Davidson enthusiasts and collectors. This garage-kept example shows only 14,000 miles and is described as a strong candidate for collectors. Featuring Harley's classic touring design and impressive period performance, it offers both vintage character and road-going capability. For fans of traditional American touring motorcycles, this Electroglide stands out as a very appealing machine. Number 13. 1975 Yamaha XS650, $4,500, Whitestone, Virginia. The 1975 Yamaha XS650 is one of the most beloved parallel twin motorcycles ever built. Combining classic British-inspired styling with dependable Japanese engineering, the XS650 earned a loyal following and remains one of the most popular vintage Yamahas on the market today. This example is finished in custom gold and black paint and features numerous upgrades, including new tires, a new clutch, ignition components, custom mufflers, and upgraded rear shocks. With a clean title and excellent overall condition, this XS650 offers a tasteful custom appearance while remaining ready for regular riding enjoyment. Number 14. 1968 BSA A65 Thunderbolt, $5,500, Virginia Beach, Virginia. The 1968 BSA A65 Thunderbolt captures the spirit of classic British motorcycling with its strong 650cc parallel twin engine and timeless styling. Models like the Thunderbolt remain highly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate vintage performance and the unique character of British motorcycles. This example has received extensive mechanical improvements, including an engine rebuild completed less than 1,000 miles ago, electronic ignition, upgraded charging components, and numerous reliability enhancements. The seller reports that it starts easily, runs well, and handles as it should. For riders seeking a sorted and thoughtfully upgraded BSA, this Thunderbolt offers plenty of appeal. Number 15. 1980 Yamaha XS650, $750, Whitestone, Virginia. The 1980 Yamaha XS650 continued the legacy of Yamaha's famous parallel twin platform, a motorcycle admired for its simplicity, durability, and strong customization potential. Decades after production ended, the XS650 remains a favorite among restorers, collectors, and custom builders alike. This example shows 13,325 miles and comes with a clean title. The seller notes that the bike is currently not running but turns over freely and includes a new battery. With relatively modest needs and an affordable price, this XS650 could be an excellent project for someone looking to bring a classic Yamaha back to life.